Yeah, come on, want to get close in.
They're all right, aren't they? Ricky, come on up!
Let's have it and come on!
I think people can't believe it's happening really in this day and age, that people are literally just running through the crowds with a flaming tar barrel, there's no safety precautions, people are just moving back as they come past. I think it's a an interesting thing to see. It's a bit unique. It's pretty crazy. Ottery gets very excited around the time of tar barrels, and all the locals are out there kind of raring to go and excited about it. I think it's unique, it's different, it's nice that there's no health and safety regulations and people can just get on and have some fun playing with fire.
Because it's absolutely nuts, because there's nowhere else where you're allowed to strap barrels of tar to people's backs and run down a high street.
I've heard that it's really, really packed and that it's incredible, and like tar barrels like come past you like a foot from your face. So I'm looking forward to that.
It'd be a bit boring if it was dangerous. We just sort of said something.
Well, there was a brief flash and there's fire and smoke and so on, so I'm guessing they've got another barrel going on. And it's coming straight at us! And it's coming straight at us!
Yeah, on the south coast.
Right, come on.
Go on, Jake!